Trilogy Evo ventilators deliver enhanced performance in both non-invasive and invasive ventilation. There are 4 types of circuits that are available: passive, active PAP, active flow, and dual limb with corresponding icons. We're going to review the setup of each one. The passive circuit consists of a bacterial filter, tubing, and exhalation port. Connect the bacterial filter and tubing to the inspiratory port on the side of the device. A leak device, also known as an exhalation port, is mandatory during invasive ventilation or when using a circuit with a non-vented mask. The passive circuit is now complete. The active PAP circuit consists of a bacterial filter, tubing, active exhalation valve line, and the smaller proximal pressure line. Connect the bacterial filter and tubing to the inspiratory port. Now attach the proximal pressure line to the proximal pressure port and the active exhalation valve line to the active exhalation valve connection. The active PAP circuit is now complete. The active flow circuit consists of a bacterial filter, tubing, active exhalation valve line, proximal pressure line, flow sensor, and cable. Essentially, this is the active PAP circuit with an added flow sensor and cable. Connect the bacterial filter and tubing to the inspiratory port. Attach the proximal pressure line to its port and the active exhalation valve line to its connection. Now attach the flow sensor cable into the connector located towards the bottom of the device. Attach the appropriate flow sensor, either adult, pediatric, or infant, to the cable and clip shut. Then attach the flow sensor to the active exhalation valve on the circuit. The active flow circuit is now complete. The dual limb circuit has a blue inspiratory limb, a clear or white expiratory limb, 2 bacterial filters, a proximal pressure line, flow sensor with cable, and dual limb active exhalation valve, referred to as the AEV. Connect the bacterial filter and blue-colored limb to the inspiratory port. Then attach the proximal pressure line to the proximal pressure port. Now insert the dual limb AEV into the exhalation valve connection until both sides click into place. Then attach the bacterial filter end of the clear or white limb into the AEV. Attach the flow sensor cable into the connector. Next, attach the appropriate flow sensor, adult, pediatric, or infant, to the cable and clip shut. To complete the circuit, attach the flow sensor to the Y-shaped connector. The dual limb circuit is now complete. Phillips.